Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here today at MGM Classic Cars, located here in Addison, Illinois. My name is Thomas, and today I'm introducing you to a beautiful, gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's finished in this beautiful dove white color, black rally painted stripes, cowl induction hood, frame off restored between the year of 2011 and 2012. Frame off full restoration. Under the hood is a 396 cubic inch motor, big block, backed up with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt posi rear end, front power disc brakes, chrome American racing wheels, power steering as well. Guys, gals, the paint on this car is phenomenal. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, show you how straight this body is on the car. The infamous Chevelle body line, nice and straight all the way down the car. Excellent chrome and dual exhaust. All the trim on the car has been redone, real nice. Beautiful red guts, bucket seats, center console, as you can see, and the Tremec 5-speed manual trans, round SS gauges, beautiful dash, upgraded steering wheel, radio, triple gauge package, brand new carpet, floor mats, dual sun visors, obviously, and the tight headliner all been replaced with seat belts all the way around. Door jambs are nice and crisp, dual sport mirrors on both sides of the vehicle, and there you have the cowl induction, as you can see there. Beautiful underneath, guys, very clean. Like I said, frame off, restored, and you can highly respect underneath the car. It is simply gorgeous. Let me pop this hood real quick for you guys. I want you guys to check out the big block 396. All right, here we go. Beautiful engine compartment. As you can see, painted firewall, cowl vents, all are brand new. Inner fenders have been painted a gloss black. Upgraded aluminum radiator as well. Aluminum, as you can see, intake. And can you see the Holley 4-barrel? Yep, chrome valve covers. There's your power steering, upgraded with headers as well. There's your booster master cylinder. Super clean under the hood, ready for car shows. There's your factory cowl tag there. I don't know if you guys can make it out. Factory color, 10. You guys know what that is? No? Look it up. Sits on these beautiful wheels. As you can see, the nice disc brakes there. Beautiful underneath as well. Drum in the back, big dual exhaust. All the bright work is excellent on the car. Interior is all brand new. Body by Fisher, obviously. Door jambs are nice and crisp as well. Guys, girls, listen, very easy to start. Okay? We tuned it to perfection. Listen to this thing. That sound good? Let me get on the throttle for a minute. Sounds great. There you have it. '70 Chevelle 396, built with some headers, upgraded power steering, power disc, 5-speed Tremec, 12-bolt posi in the back. The trunk is like new on the vehicle. Beautiful, ready to go, guys. Give me a call. I'm gonna leave you my number in a minute here. Go ahead and get a pen. If you guys need financing and if your credit score is between 600 and 739, you will need 10% down. Loan terms go up to 144 months. Again, credit score between 600 and 739, you will need 10% down. If that's you, go to my website at mgmclassiccars.com, click the finance tab, fill out the credit application, and a representative from our company or the lender will be in touch with you within 1 business day. Okay, for those of you who have a higher credit score of like 750 and higher, not a problem. No money down options are available. You would go directly to my lender at lightstream.com, fill out the application, get approved the same to the next business day. All approvals or denials are based off your credit profile. Okay, did you get that pen? So if you guys need financing, you know all about it. If you need delivery, we can deliver right to your driveway, now fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle with our carriers, third-party people that we trust and use on a daily basis. We sell over 50 cars a month, and we have a lot of trucks delivering these beautiful muscle cars throughout the country, okay? So get me your zip code and I'll get you a quote delivered right to your driveway. My number, if you're ready, is 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. I appreciate you guys watching us here on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it, thumbs up, let's go. These muscle cars are increasing in value. They're great tangible assets, guys. Get yourself one. We have over 100 hand-picked beautiful cars in stock here in Addison, Illinois. Thank you for watching. Again, my name's Thomas. My phone number is 847-848-1850. You can text me anytime. Bye-bye.